Hey guys, okay, I'm gonna show you how to draw a rad and happy frog. So you're gonna start out with 2 circles. Now circles can be a little bit tricky to draw, they can look a little bit wonky, but I actually think wonky circles make this frog even cuter. So don't even worry if your circles are a little bit crazy. So then we're gonna add the pupils, and now we're gonna draw his body. So you draw a line in between the eyes, and then you're gonna do kind of like a half circle. So bring it all the way around and connect it to the other eye. And there's his body. Now we need to give him a smile because he's a happy little frog. And then we're gonna draw his belly, which is kind of just another half circle. Now we're gonna draw his legs, one on each side, like this, and like this. And now we're gonna draw his feet. So a back foot here, a back foot there, and then his 2 front feet. Now I don't know if you guys knew this, but frogs are actually funny. So something fun that you can do is you can write a joke around your frog and then you can gift it to somebody like your mom or mail it to a friend just to say hi and that you're thinking of them and maybe just spread a little laughter and a smile.